Alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri collard greens and cottage cheese or Cxaman the Haakh. Kashmiri collard greens or Haakh is like a staple vegetable in Kashmir, and it's cooked with a variety of things or separately. So today I'm going to show you how it's cooked with cottage cheese or paneer. So let's get started. For making Haakh and Cxaman, I have taken around 750 grams of Haakh that I have washed nicely. Here you can see. And then I have taken garlic, around 7 to 8 cloves that I have finely diced. Paneer around 750 grams, and here you can see the pieces how I have made. These are thick slices. Then oil around 1 cup. Oil we need for frying also. Then I have taken 2 whole red chilies, dried chilies, 2 or 3. Then 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, chili powder around 2 teaspoons, turmeric half a teaspoon, salt around 2 teaspoons, and I have taken a mini wur or Kashmiri spice cake. I will leave the link of its recipe in the description box. Up oil, and I have added garlic cloves and whole spices, cumin seeds, black cardamom, green cardamom to it. Once it's fried properly, then I'll be adding other spices that include chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, and here I'll be adding half a glass of water so that these won't burn. And I have added whole chilies also. And then I'll be adding Haakh to it. Where I have not added yet, I'll show you. I'll add that later. Give it a mix so that the spices coat the Haakh. Here you can see I'm trying to mix it. And we have to let it fry properly. In this, it may take a while. So here I have kept medium to high heat. And I'm adding salt here too. So here you can see Haakh has started to release its water. So it will take a while for it to absorb this water and get fried properly. We have to wait for it. Now here you can see it's almost all the water is absorbed and it's fried. So at this stage I will add more water so that we can whistle it. We have to whistle it up to 3. We have to cook it up to 3 whistles, and I'll be adding wur here. You can see I had soaked it in the water. Wur or Kashmiri spice cake. And then we will cook it up to 3 whistles. I have added around 1.5 cup of water. Now till Haakh gets ready, we'll go to paneer. So for making paneer, first I'm keeping turmeric water handy. For that I have heated up around 1 glass of water, and I have added turmeric to it. So once it starts to boil, I'll keep it aside. Then I'll start frying paneer. Here you can see I have started to fry paneer. We have to deep fry paneer on both the sides, and then we will keep it dunked in that turmeric water. So here you can see paneer is almost fried, and I have kept the turmeric water ready. Now I'll keep it dunked in the turmeric water. Now I have dipped all the fried paneer pieces in the turmeric water. You can do this step before frying or after frying. Anyways, it's fine. You can boil the paneer before frying or afterwards. So here you can see we have to bring it to boil and boil it for a few boils, or you can boil it for 5 minutes. That's it. That keeps paneer soft. Meanwhile, Haakh was also ready. I have opened the lid. Now I'll be adding paneer to it. At this stage, you can either whistle it if you don't have time. You can cook it up to 2 whistles, or you can simply add more water and boil it for around 15 to 20 minutes. So at this stage, I have added almost 1.5 glass of water again, and then I am going to let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes like this, because paneer is not cooked yet. And here you can see now it's boiling. If you don't have time, you can simply cook it up to 2 whistles at this stage and it will be done. Preferably paneer doesn't need to be cooked in cooker. For 20 minutes I'll check, and here you can check the softness of paneer and Haakh too. Haakh is not very soft, but it's slightly crunchy. After around 15 to 20 minutes on low flame, our Haakh and salmon is ready. This variety doesn't have a lot of gravy, but you can keep slight gravy. Here you can see, and you can check the salt also and adjust according to your taste. It's served hot with rice. This recipe try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.